isa sa mga boy band na nakasama at nakakolab ng SB19 sa entablado ng Hito Pop Music Festival ay ang Ozone, isang sikat na boy band from Taiwan. Ito nga, may komento sila about sa ating SB19, the King of P-Pop. Na-surprise daw ang mga fans dahil unexpectedly joined the stage of SB19 and Ozone in Hito Pop Music Awards stage from the Philippines and from Taiwan. Taiwanese boy band Ozone. Very welcoming ang boy band na Ozone at mayroon din silang pagiging hospitable dahil binigyan ng chicken joy, fried chicken, and bubble tea to welcome SB19 from their country, Taiwan. They even agreed to play ball together if they had the chance. Na syempre, sa likod, backstage, at the award ceremony ay nagsayaw silang dalawang boy band, At ito nga, inamin ng Ozone na marami silang natututunan sa SB19. They have learned a lot and hope to have more opportunities for cooperation in the future. Sana daw ay magkaroon sila ng collaboration sa sayaw, sa kanta na i-release officially.